I seek protection of Allah from the shaitan, the rejected one. In the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious, who is the generator, operator and destructor of this whole universe. First of all, let's praise to the Almighty Allah. Because of His blessings, we are able to come here. Secondly, may peace be upon our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has guided us into the right ways of life. Honorable worthy Chairman Sir, esteemed Principal Sir, humble and dignified teachers, invited guests, and my dear juniors and seniors, I Atif Ejaz welcomes all of you with the great Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Today on this special occasion, I want to unfold the biography of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. काश वो चेहरा मेरी आंख ने देखा होता, मुझको तकदीर ने इसी दौर में लिखा होता, बातें सुनता मैं कभी पूछता माने इनके, मैं आपके सामने असहाब में बैठा होता, हर सियाह रात में रोशन है हदीसें उनकी, आप ना आते तो ज़माने में अंधेरा होता. The best soldier of the world, the best judge of the world, the best lawyer of the world, the best thinker of the world, the best physician of the world, the best and only perfect man of the world, one and only our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. A strong man is not the one who defeats his adversary by wrestling, but a strong man is one who controls himself at the time of anger. Allah and His angels sent blessings on the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. O you that believe, you send blessings on him and salute him in all respect. Quran Surah Azab Surah 33 ayat number 45 to 46. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet of Allah. He was born at Makkah in 570 AD. His father Abdullah had died before he was born. He was brought up by his mother Amina, and she died while on the return journey from the Medina at a place called Asra. When he was 6 years old, he was raised by his paternal grandfather Abdul Muttalib up to the age of 8 years, and after grandfather's death, he was brought up by his paternal uncle Abu Talib. At the age of 12, he accompanied Abu Talib with a merchant caravan as far as Bosra in Syria. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was popularly known as Al-Amin for his unimpeachable character. Khairul Bashar jahan mein na aaya Rasul sa, Khairul Bashar jahan mein na aaya Rasul sa, रुतबा किसी नबी ने न पाया रसूल सा. तारीख ये बताती है इस्लाम की हमें, तारीख ये बताती है इस्लाम की हमें, सादिक व अमीन कोई ना आया रसूल सा. He received the first revelation at the age of 40 from the archangel Jibril. On this first appearance, Jibril alayhi salam said to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Iqra, meaning read or recite. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, I cannot read. Angel Jibril alayhi salam then embraced him until he reached the limit of his endurance, and after blessing said, Iqra. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam answer was same as before. Jibril alayhi salam repeated the embrace for the third time and asked him to repeat him. After the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was terrified by the whole experience of the revelation and fled to the cave of Mount Hira. When he reached his home, tired and frightened, he asked his wife, cover me in a blanket. His wife Khadija radhiyallahu anha asked him about the reason of the great anxiety and fear. She then assured him by Allah, saying, Allah will not let you down because you are kind to relatives. You are speak only truth. You help the poor, the orphan and the needy. You are an honest man. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away when he was 63 years. His sacred tomb is in Medina. He showed the right way to the people of whole world. We can succeed in this world by following his teachings. His teachings not only for one Muslim but also for the whole universe. Ya Rab dare Rasul ki mitti naseeb ho, nikle jo mera dam to Medina kareeb ho. जब खुले मेरी आंखें मैदान हश्र में, उस वक्त नजरों के सामने तेरा हबीब हो. So it was all about the biography of our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who was extremely kind to Muslims and the messenger as a bright and shining lamp of guidance. Hence take care and have a nice